Hi guys, welcome to this video. Many times when we open photos in Windows 10 through Photos app we suffer from lag problem or black screen comes for some time. Today in this video, I will tell you how you can fix this problem. So, let's start the video. I'm going to show you this problem in my computer. To fix this problem, at first click on Start button and search for apps and features. Then search Photos here and click on Photos. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Reset and Repair if you have it in your computer. For next step, right click on Desktop and click on New. Write a suitable name in it. Remember, reg extension after name is compulsory. After that, right click that file and click on Edit and paste the text from the description and save it. After that, click on that file and click on Yes and OK. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will solve your problem. Please click on red subscribe button and like this video, and if you have any problems comment in comment box.